My name is Shantasia and I'll be doing my informative speech on GMOs. So, what are GMOs? GMOs are genetically modified organisms that are produced through biotechnology and genetic engineering, in which material are added and removed to alterate the genetic structure of an organism. History of GMOs. Charles Darwin in 1859 first described the process of natural selection in his book called On the Origins of Species of the Means of Natural Selection. It stated that species evolved over time. People have manipulated the process of natural selection for hundreds of years. They do it to eliminate specific characteristics in plants and animal species, producing a variety of cereal crops, livestock, animals, and plants. Is GMOs good or bad? GMOs are good in a sense because there will be enough food to go around. It is also said that in 2015 there will be a shortage of food. GMOs have the potential to affect all members of human society, their surrounding environments, and have therefore became one of the most controversial ecological and ethical issues of the 21st century. Some things that have been genetically modified are bacteria, viruses, plants, and animals. The glowfish was the very first animal to be genetically modified. It's like a fish mixed with like a dragonfly, and it swims in water. There are foods that state that there are GMOs on canned foods, and some that are not. But nowadays you don't know what you are eating. Do you pay attention to the labels on your canned foods when you go grocery shopping?
I honestly don't. I buy frozen vegetables.
What about you?
I buy frozen also, but I have noticed that when I order things off Amazon, which I try to do things healthy, I noticed that it say non-GMO. I never knew what it was. I just buy it because I thought that it was better for me.
Okay, so no, because I've heard many times people saying, well, you continue to eat what you eat because it doesn't do anything to your body and you're still living. But the thing about GMOs is it causes you to have cancer and other illnesses. So, also the meats have GMOs in it. Sometimes it say all natural, but it have like ribs, water, or whatever mixture in it.
Well, let me ask you this. Is that the same thing dealing with how they raise chicken? You know what I mean? How fast that they, you know what I mean? How
fast they grow.
They grow, yeah.
Yes, it has something to do with
Okay.
it. It has a lot to do with it.
Okay.
But in conclusion, I encourage you all to from now on to check your canned foods and labels and be more careful. And that ends my informative speech. And thank you all for coming and have a nice day.